Jamaica.
Alborosie, and that is sign.
Oh yeah.
That's Morgan. We say one love from the east of Jamaica. We say one heart straight into Africa. We say one sound right through Europe. Ooh yeah, one destiny for all humanity.
Oh yeah, well then, welcome we are the voice of who's never been heard. The children of the prophecy, the first and third world. Zion is in sight, we're living in your light. Our destiny is to preach and keep the entire world unite. Well, we against to terrorizing all the nations, against to cherish foreign ammunition, against to arm the youth living in the slums, against to get results by pushing guns and dropping bombs.
We say one love from the east of Jamaica. We say one heart straight into Africa. We say one sound right through Europe. Ooh yeah, one destiny for all humanity.
Boy, just listen up me chanting, it's a righteous melody. Georgia destiny is to set us all free. Giant prosperity to all the families, cause there's no place to hide from the rage of the Almighty. Well, one sound we pushing right around the globe, right through the darkest space, the universe and all forgotten places. So it's a revolution.
We say
revelation, reggae our mission.
We can all get along.
Yeah,
we can all do it together.
Right now,
we got to move our obstacles out of the way. One day,
blaze up the fire.
Oh yeah, we say one love from the east of Jamaica. We say one heart straight into Africa. We say one sound right through Europe. Ooh yeah, one destiny for all humanity. Some of them promoting violence and ammunition,
I ramp them a ramp,
which brings about segregation and division. But in your love there is no limitation.
No limitation.
But with one heart, one sound, we can all get along. We say one love from the east of Jamaica.